Welcome to an unboxing video. Did I get it right? An unboxing video. Yeah. My bad shopping experience with Temu.
A few moments later.
So here I have my Temu order. Okay, so you guys see, this is the first order. And over here we have the second order from Temu again. Let me first off go with the big one. I think I have to go with this one. As you all may know, I don't have scissors with me here. I don't understand. So you guys, this is my baby school bag that I got from Temu. This school bag right here is so beautiful. I got this from Temu. I'm a Ababola. No, this is not Ababola, but this is footballer. So I'm gonna go ahead to bring it out from this. Yeah, this is how it looks like, but I'm gonna face this by myself, you know. Okay, so this is the original color here. It's looking so beautiful. This is dinosaur football bag for infants. Okay, I got this for my baby. Over here I have actually this is hair. It's a hair, but it's a ponytail hair that I got from Temu. See, I did try as I dey born, as I dey maintenance na ego, ijikwa ego. Maintenance money, ijikwa ego, iyombombo. Next up. You guys will be shocked in the next order now. You will be so shocked. Like, is this African woman doing this? Like, guys, always going to the shop to get sponge is so stressful, and mostly like in this winter period you wouldn't like to get up from your bed, like from your blanket, just to say that you are going to supermarket to go and buy what? Sponge. I purchased this plate sponge or anything but a sponge. I purchased it from Temu, and this is 24 pieces, just to save myself the stress of going to the shop to get a sponge, buy sponge. Oh, sponge has finished. At the comfort of your home, you'll get this. So this is what we have inside there. All right, so the next stop, it was two. This is one and this is one. So next up I have this. You guys know what is this? This is a writing tablet, 6.5 inches, and this right here is a door cutter. I actually have a door cutter, but I just see this as a treat. Not something 3-in-1. I feel like I need it. Oh yes, I decided to break the record. I decided to shake like it break record. As a mom of, you know, how many are we, Sef? Mom of Guinea. I have been finding it difficult when it comes to cutting onions, carrots, cucumber, rishi, everything. I've been finding it difficult. And coupled with the fact that my daughter, she's not fast in cutting, can't deal with it. So I have to go, like, you know, get myself this. Oh yeah, I break the record, so I decided to get this. This is actually 16 pieces, 16 in one. The next up I have this here writing tablet as well. The battery, everything, should be using it to do her mathematics. It's not tablet like just the one that has pen that you can be using to write. Next up, I'm going to the next order. I'm gonna open the next order. Oh wow, everything in the next order is like this here. I will show you guys what is inside in a bit. Oh yes, of course, like guys, I've gone to shopping mall 200 times, 20 times to get these gloves, this hand glove. So I couldn't find it. The ones that are there are size M, L, and I've bought M, and it was very, like, it's not my size. So I decided to go and get this here. I got this in size S, which is my size. I actually got it in black. This is 100 pieces. Quite, you know, pricey, but there's nothing I can do about it. Let me show you guys what we have going on here, because I've not used black hand glove before. I've been using blue. So over to this order here. This order right here, actually this is for my baby, my little baby. I want to start teaching my baby how to write. In Italy here, they don't do that. They don't teach children like kindergarten, not kindergarten, that's nursery. Okay, in Italy here, nursery children, they don't teach them. They teach them how to draw, how to play, but in primary school they teach them how to read and write. But I want to use my hand and teach my child how to read, write and draw. I saw this though. I don't know the quality, but I just feel like, okay, it's good. Let me get it. So this is a singlet I got from Temu. This is my very first time to buy clothes from Temu. But the quality I'm seeing is kind of, I don't know. The inside quality is good, but the outside quality is what I don't know. Okay, yeah, over here I have 50 pieces of I don't know what to call it. What is it called again, sir? Floss toothpick. So you actually use this, you know, if you have any meat or anything in your teeth, in the gap of your teeth, you use it to remove it. And the last one here, or the second to the last one, I got another singlet from Temu. Oh my god, guys, I have this tiger color in the original color. This is blue and I like it. That's why I choose the blue, because people say that I'm a tiger. For them not to call me tiger again, I decided to choose this guy here. So the next up, I have two things actually. This is a comb for making hair, and of course you all, I have this guy here. I like this top though, but I see this top, I don't know if I have had a top like this, but this is so beautiful. Even the quality is the same as other shopping app that I'm using. I can't wait to try it on, okay, for you guys to see. And of course you all, I have this brush here. This is nail brush, because I want to start doing my nails as well. You all know that in this channel I do my nails by myself, not until I started going to salon to go and do my nails. And when I reach the salon, they don't do my nails properly, like they don't take care of it. So I stopped going there. I see a lot of people who do nails on the social media and they are so good, but compared with the one that is doing my nails, that was doing my nails before, I just give it a bullshit. There is nothing anymore here. Our orders has finished. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Check out my other unboxing videos after this one. So let me first of all unbox this order that I just received. As I was getting ready to do my video, I received this order. So okay, these are the things I bought for my kids. I don't know if you guys can see that. Actually, I purchased something from Amazon. Like, did I say Amazon? That cannot be Amazon. Okay, I actually made an order in AliExpress. You guys know I'm a fan of eyelashes, but there's something confusing in this situation. I think that, I don't know, I don't get it. This pack here should be 3-pack, but they ended up giving me 2-pack, but I don't know if this here is a combined order from AliExpress. Okay, I purchased a bundle of eyelashes. This is all eyelashes. I purchased 3-pack from one shop. Okay, this 3-pack, I got it and I got another, so the order is complete. I think they did it combined order. This is 5 different types of lashes. This one is, I don't know, 09, and I like the way it is. And this one is 03. And I have here 11. So they're all different types, but they look natural though. And I have this one 07, and I have here 03 again. So I think this one is kind of very full and long at the same time. Okay guys, so here is a personal pack. Anyway, since I've already told you guys what it is, let's go ahead to unbox it as well. I've been unboxing things since today. So yeah, this is what it is. It is what it is. What did they draw? I don't even know what they drew there. So, and at the back of here we have this. So everything is written in Chi baby, Chi baby. Yeah, that's basically all. Like guys, how do you guys do this? How do you guys cope with getting the bad ring light stand? My ring light stand, this is the 3rd time I'm getting it, okay? The one that comes with this one started misbehaving. I don't know how to describe the madness. And later on it started falling and, you know, moving. It's so loose, it's not tight. Even the knot, you can't use the knot to tight it. Then I have to throw it away, and I get another one, and that one was very, very short. I think, how do I call it? It's not even long like the way my camera is. It's very short this way. I got it. Started misbehaving again. Anyway, I sawed it with my camera. So now I got this one from AliExpress. Let me show you guys. I got this one from AliExpress, guys. This is kind of annoying, and this was 2 years ago. Then this knot spoiled from here, just spoiled, and the knot to tighten here still spoiled again. This one, the knot to tighten here again, spoiled. I don't know how. Like, how do you guys do this? Like me, I'm so frustrated. Like, and coupled with the fact that the money to buy this is equivalent to both two together. I don't know. I'm beginning to get fed up. So what I did this period is that I couldn't film because this just got spoiled, and as I'm filming now, I don't have ring light stand here. So the thing I did was to take my studio, like my backdrop studio. If you look at it, you will see that it's not a ring light stand. So I took it and put it, but it's not standing. It's not standing, and which is kind of annoying again. So I thought of what to do. I didn't know what to do again. I became confused. Even this one that I just showed you guys before, I still gum it with a hot gum. Is it that they can't even sell proper quality something or whatever? Last week, was it on the 22? Yeah, on the 22nd of December. Today is 29. I bought new ring light from Spain. It's a 5 days delivery. I paid on 22nd. They were able to deliver today. But the thing is that due to the holidays, it didn't arrive on time. They should have delivered yesterday, being 28. They said that the GLS courier service said that they are going to deliver on the 28th. Just for me to wake up and receive their email, they said that they won't deliver on the 28th again. The next available working days, guys. This morning, they just delivered this to me. So I want to unbox this. Let me see if that one will last, so that you guys will not say, it's China. That is why it's not last. It's here now. Let me see if Spain is China too. I don't want anybody to tell me otherwise, or else I'll use this thing and knock on your head. Wow, so cute. Look at that, guys. Look at how cute it is. Look gorgeous though. Okay, I thought the knot is shifting or something like that. It's cooperating. I hope it cooperates last, because I'm kind of person that when I put my ring lights, I just leave it there. I'm that kind of person. This one is good. The knot of this one is good too, because when you carry your ring light all the time, it always spoil your ring light. So I always like, when I mount my ring light, I leave it there steady. I'm trying to mount this one. I'm tightening it. Ooh. Okay, correct tighten. It's too long. It's taller than me. Anyway, I'm just sitting. Don't mind me. So it stands and fine. Like, okay, let me plug it so that you guys will see the difference. Wow. Can you guys see the quality difference? This is the quality difference, guys. I like it. And I'm so excited though, because by men tightening these ones, I feel like their knots are good, and the way their knots are built is not something like, for example, this knot here, you guys can see the knot here. You just have to tighten it. And as you are seeing this knot here, you put it by yourself and you have to hold it, all of that. But this one is different. It's basically the same with this. It's the same thing with this one. Yeah, because this one is well closed and it tightens very well. I pray to God and I hope and I pray, I cross my hand that this standing here should last for me. Actually, whenever I buy standing, they always last for me for at least 2 years, 3 years. Okay, this ring light is 2 years now, and you see, then after that 2 years, they begin to do like one year. They begin to like what I don't even know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna hurry up because I want to do something, and I will chat you all later.